Hey, hi, my name is Kaushikam. Today I'm trying to solve the June Leetcode challenge problem. The question name is longest palindromic substring and question number is 5, and it is a very popular question. And the question is that basically a string has been given and we'll have to find the longest palindromic substring, and the example is basically BABAD. Here the two palindrome has been present. One is BAB, another is ABA. So both the length is 2. So I can return any of them. So as an example output, that will be the BAB is the result. And for the second case, CBBD, there is an event length string, and the palindrome also an event length. So there is a one palindrome. So basically there is a CBBD. The palindrome is basically B and B, so the result output is B and B, BB. So I am trying to solve this problem. So how can I solve or approach this problem? Let's find that. First is BA BAD. Okay, I am taking an example that is BA BAD. So to find the longest substring in an string, basically there is a two possibility can be possible. Basically the even length palindrome and the odd length palindrome. So in even length palindrome there is basically no character is the bridge. I mean that ABBA basically. So there is an even length palindrome. There is no bridge. Is a character. So if I have been comparing with there, so a left pointer is there and the right pointer is there, but the odd length case, at the odd length case ABA, so basically odd length case the character is a bridge. So we'll have to initialize that. That's the same, that is the left, that is the right pointer, and if the left pointer is same and the right pointer is same, then the pointer will be incremented and L will be decremented and R will be incremented by there. So that's the main logic. So in every string we'll have to do two procedure, that is event length palindrome finding and the odd length palindrome finding, and if the any of them found there, so we'll have to find the starting point and the length of there, and then after that I will return the substring of that length also. So I am trying to write down there. So let's find that. BABAD. So that is the starting point, and that is the first I am trying finding the odd length case. So if I goes there is no, so not possible, so that goes there, and that also. If I goes there, then if I goes there, is it same? Yes, is it same? So that point left pointer goes there, and the green pointer, that is right pointer, goes there. So now that is same. It goes there and goes there. That is same. Now so goes there. That is if I pointing there, goes there and goes there. If it is same, no, not possible. So first we'll have to check that. That is the right pointer is R and the left pointer is L. So there is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is the -1 basically. So L plus 1, that is the L minus 1 has been present there. L minus 1. So L plus 1 case, and there is an R. So R will be become R minus 1. So if we are trying to find any distance between 2 points, what is that? That is the ending point minus the starting point plus 1, that is finding the length of there. So there I am also taking the same procedure, that is R minus 1 minus of L plus 1 and then plus 1. So what is there? minus 1, r minus 1, minus l, minus 1, then plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 cancel out each other, and then r minus l minus 1. That is the length of there. So if I have been taking this, so that is 3 minus of minus 1, then plus 1. What is that? 3 plus 1, sorry, minus, there is the minus and plus 1 cancel out each other, and that goes there. So 3 and as an 1, there is an one time found there. There is an one time found there. So in B case basically that is also same procedure. That is also same. So if happen goes there, that goes there. Then after that, that is goes and that goes. That is not same. Same, that's 3 length. That is the 3 length. And same, that goes there. Its B and D is not same. So then goes there, then goes there. That goes, sorry, not, that will be not possible because there is a right pointer has not been found there. So that case not been taken into account. So another procedure is, there is another example, that is CBBA. So basically I have been taking that is the left pointer and that is the right pointer. Is it same? No. So then it goes there and it goes there. So is it same? Yes. Is it same? It is same. So it goes to left, it goes to right. So is it same? No, that is not same. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3. So that goes to back there. That is r minus 1 minus of l plus 1, then plus 1. R minus 1 minus L minus 1 plus 1. That is the cancel out each other. Then R minus L minus 1. That is the length. So basically that 3 minus 0 and minus 1, that is 2. So that is the length of palindrome, that is the 2. So here I am basically traversing that string, and I am traversing traversing each and every point basically for every character left and right case. So basically the time complexity will be order of n square, where n is basically the string length, and I am not taking any extra space. So basically the order of 1 is the space complexity. So I am trying to implement this approach in my code right now. So here I am trying to implement right now. Oh, one more thing. Yes, one more thing. One more thing is basically if the empty case or the single length string has been given. So single length string is already a palindrome. So there is no record to calculate there. So I will be return the direct the string in that case. If that is a less than 2 function. If there is a less than 2 or the less than or equals to 2, whatever. So I am right now trying to implement there. If s dot size less than 2, return s. And right now first we will have to initialize that int max length is equals to 1. Integer start is equals to 0 and en is equals to 0, and integer n is equals to s dot size for integer I is equals to 0 and I less than n, sorry, I n minus 1. That is as I discussed, because after that it will not to be covered or checking there. So integer L is equals to I and R is equals to Y, because I am first time I am trying to find the odd palindrome. So while L is greater than or equals to 0 and R is less than N, in that condition, if S of L is equals to S of R, then L minus minus and R will be plus plus, right? Yes, and in the else condition it will be direct break. Basically I am checking the palindrome case for the odd length to find there. So after there if length, or I'll have to check that the length also right now, that is length is equals to R minus L minus 1, as I mentioned in the diagram. If the length is greater than the max length, that's after that the max length will become Ln, and the start will be the L plus 1 right now. And the same condition I will be repeat for the even case also. For integer I0, then I less than n, I plus plus, sorry, n minus 1. Integer left is equals to I and integer right is equals to I plus 1, while same here. So while I is greater than is equals to 0 and there, and then after that I will copy in that value. It's basically L is greater than or equals to 0 and R is less than. If there is same, there is a L minus minus and R plus plus, otherwise it will break. And then after that I am trying to find the length R minus L minus 1, and the start will be L plus 1 in that case also. And after that, when I found all the case, even palindrome, odd palindrome, so I will return the substring of that string, that is s dot sub str, that is the start and the max length there. So I am trying to run my code if any compile time issue or not. Yeah, it's giving me wrong answer. Okay, it's giving me a wrong answer. Okay, I am not checking there. It's basically if max length I'm right now trying to run my code. It is accepted in run code. I'm trying to submit there. It is accepted. Thank you so much.